Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to discuss. Let's dive right in and talk about the issue at hand. The problem arises when using libtorch in a C++ program. Specifically, when attempting to run a piece of code that involves the zeros function, an error pops up. The compiler complains about an ambiguous call to the zeros function, even though we haven't explicitly used their namespace. Now, let's move on to the solution for this problem. The key lies in understanding that the torch headers contain a using namespace directive inside the torch namespace. This means that by using namespace torch, we inadvertently bring the entire if namespace into the global scope. The solution is to be mindful of this behavior and make qualified calls to functions to avoid such ambiguities. In summary, we discussed a common problem encountered while working with libtorch in C++. By understanding how namespaces are handled in the pytorch headers, we unraveled the solution to the ambiguous call error with the zeros function. Remember, when in doubt, always prioritize making qualified function calls to avoid unexpected errors. Well, that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!